Okay, so same idea here. We've got three equations, three unknowns, therefore we must be able to solve it. Looks a bit more complicated though.
Yeah, it is. It's a bit more complicated than the first one, but we can do one thing that'll really make our life a lot easier, and that's divide through by 2 and all, because they've all got a common factor of 2. So
Okay, so that first line, we divide it all by 2 and we get x minus y plus 2z equals 3. And the same with the second line, we equal it 2 and divide it by 2 to give us x plus y minus 3z equals negative 10. And that third line, divide that by 2, we get 2x plus y minus z equals negative 6.
yeah, pretty straightforward. Now we've got a plus y and a minus y, so when we add those two lines together, they're going to cancel out the y's.
Okay, so we add row 1 and row 2.
So let's do that over here. 1 plus 2.
Okay, so now we've got ourselves 2x, but the y's cancel out to leave us with just negative z.
Equal to,
negative 7.
and then we can do the same thing with 1 and 3. We've got a negative y and a plus y, so let's add 1 and 3.
So x plus 2x gives us 3x.
Yep.
The y's go again, which is convenient, and leave us with a positive z, plus z.
Plus z.
And that will equal negative 3.
Negative 3, and then we've got a negative z and a positive z.
So again, add the two rows.
Add these two together, and we're going to get
5x equals negative 10. X equals negative 2.
nice.
Almost there.
Yep, now what we do is just take that and substitute it back in for row 1. So we're going to get negative 2 minus y plus 2z equal to 3.
And I guess we could substitute the value of x into row 2 as well.
Yeah, because then when we add our y's, they're going to cancel out.
So negative 2 plus y,
minus 3z
and that would equal negative 10.
equals negative 10. And then we can add those two together as well, which is going to give us neg 2 plus neg 2.
So negative 4.
And then the y's will cancel 2z minus 3z, negative z, and 3 plus negative 10, negative 7.
Solve that for z.
Put the 4 on that side, it's going to give us negative z equals negative 3, so z equals 3.
So we've got z equals 3, x equals negative 2, and we just need to get ourselves a value for y.
Pretty straightforward now, so we just substitute that back into equation 1, and that should just solve for y.
So negative 2
negative 2
minus y.
minus y
So our plus 2z becomes plus 6
plus 6
equals 3.
equals 3. Therefore, y equals,
Well, we can
add the 2,
add
so
twos.
5 minus 6,
negative 1,
negative 1.
y equals 1.
That's negative. Y equals 1.
Done.